Hi, I want to show you how to set up an air system for my shop room. So you're wondering why I'm making this this video is to show you what I do and why I want to do that. And another thing is I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna review this little extension cord I got. It's an old one, but I'm gonna show you how to use it and how to set it up. So the first thing is I'm going to show you how to use an extension cord. Most of you should know how to use an extension cord, but for the people who doesn't, I'll teach you. And if you're running an air compressor, this is my item. This is where I'm going to run my air compressor. So, the first thing you want to do is grab your air compressor plug, grab your female or male end of your extension cord, sling it out, plug it in. Now, unravel your cord to a nearest outlet. So it's the fishies. Oh, also CJ, if you see this video, look, all the fishes are still alive. Plug it into your outlet. Now, I don't know why, but I like to make sure my extension cord or any type of extension power cord is all the way off the reel, straightened out. Now you're ready to go. Now, hook up your air hose, hook your air tool, and you're ready to run. Or if you're pumping up tires, hook this up, pump your car tires, bike tires, whatever tires you have. So yeah, that's how you. Now to prove this extension cord work, here we are. I'm going to pump it up to 20 psi proof point. There we go. And this is an old compressor, so it's all screwed up. So here. Now once you're done with an extension cord, you unplug it. You should never undo it. You should hold this and then unplug it. Okay. Now, unplug this end. And here I'm going to show you how to wrap it up. So, here we are. So what you need to do is on a cord, I'm using this garden hose reel from the metal thing. I forgot what it's called, but just shove it down here. Give it some wraps. And then now you're ready to wrap up your cord. And the other thing is you want to make sure your cord's nice and straight. Not tangled, nothing. It's nice and straight. Now pull this, and you're done. So that's how you use an extension. Now, for the part that you've probably been waiting for the entire video, is my air compressor setup. So wrap this back up so it's easy not to tangle up. So what I'm gonna have is my main compressor hose, and then that's what I use to compress or pump my bike tires or whatever up. So plug my compressor right here. It's closest to my air hose reel. That's where I put my air hose. Unplug that, unwrap that. Plug this into this one outlet right here. I meant to do it here because that outlet is for my Christmas lights or lights. And speaking about lights, I'm gonna plug them in. I haven't plugged these lights in a really long time, but here, I'll turn them off. Like these lights, kind of cool. Hook here. One end right here. This is a made hose, so don't. I recommend don't making these homemade air hose. The air hose fittings blew off, like these things blew off. So I just grabbed a end and just shoved it down here, hose clamped it, and then thread one of these MBT or compressor fittings. It works, but it's not safe. Now that. Now I want to do the coil knot. Wrap around here. Wrap it again. And then from there, you just snap it on. And you're ready to roll. Same thing for this. Pull it back. And snap this on. Remove this crap. And here. I don't know if I have enough air pressure. It's hard to connect air fittings. Okay. I'm gonna brush it up more. I did 50 feet so I can reach around my entire shop room. I want this to be a simple shop room system. I don't want this to be a quick release or whatever. It's a simple. So if I'm doing some air work. Actually, I'm gonna try something. Watch this. Actually, no, it's pointless. But here. Let's piss off. So once you're done, you just wrap it up like that. I want an automatic one where you just pull it and it comes all the way up, but it's just too expensive and it's pointless. I mean, it's just not what. It's just right now, I don't have the money to get that right now, so. So yeah, that's my air system. Thanks for watching. Bye.